So friends, there is a new feature in Safari browser known as hide distracting items. But to use that feature, you need to make sure that your Mac is updated to macOS Sequoia, which is the latest OS update from Apple. Now, what is this hide distracting items? This feature is exclusive to Safari browser and it cannot be used on any other browser. So keep that thing in mind. And if you're using Safari browser and if you're browsing or if you're reading an article, there can be multiple things present on the web page which can be distracting. Like there is an ad over here, there are multiple images, and I don't want any of this. I just want to read the article and I want to go ahead. So I can hide these items, but to do that, all you have to do is be on that page, and once you are there, select this icon over here. Once you do that, then you get an option of hide distracting items. So if you select hide distracting items, let's say if I want to hide this ad, I'm just simply going to tap on that and that ad will be removed from that web page. Similarly, I just want to read the article, I don't want this image and all. Point your cursor over there, tap on that, and it will be gone. Later on you can just read the article and you're good to go. Now, if you want to bring back the hidden items, first of all, make sure you select done to save the changes. And to bring back the hidden items, again, go on that particular icon. And this time you need to select show hidden items. And if you do that, you get a pop-up screen like this. Select show and the ad or the image which you have removed will be back. So this was on one web page, and yeah, this definitely works on other websites as well. So I'm on iCloud.com for now. And let's say if I don't want to see this animation, I just want to remove it. Again, go and select this icon over here. Select hide distracting items. Point your cursor over there. Tap on that and it will be gone. Again, I don't want to see this text. Tap on that and it will be gone. So yeah, basically this feature is you can hide any distracting items while you're surfing or reading an article. It is really very helpful. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.